anyone's potential trading career with this one template right here. It's got everything in it. You want to be a London Open trader? This is how you do it. When do you trade? How I explained it. Right in this teaching right now, I just gave you a whole trading career. And you never have to change it. You don't have to ever do anything to it. You don't ever have to tweak it. The only thing you're going to do as your money starts to build, the average risk that you put on will grow exponentially, which means that the profit will grow exponentially. Moneymaker. This is the one that if you just trade this one, there's no excuse for you to not make money. Millions of dollars doing this. I've taught people how to do this, and they've made millions of dollars. I have taught fund managers, and they use this stuff, and they've made millions of dollars. Not demo money, okay? Not mini lot traders. Millions of dollars. Teach you how to just stick to your guns. Dig your heels in and submit to time. It also teaches you trade selection. Cherry picking the best scenarios. You want to make a lot of money? Shit tons of money. You want to make lots and lots and lots of money. This is the template you do it with. This is the one you're looking for. This is it. And I taught it in 2010, and still people are looking for something else. This is the Holy Grail. This is the one you're looking for. And it happens every single week. We're seeing here. Okay, but generally what you'll see is 15 to 30 pips down from midnight to 2 a.m. in New York time. Buy it, 50 pip stop. What if it stops you out? You got stopped out. That's inexperience. You have to log that. And here's the thing. It's going to eat at you. It's going to make you feel like it doesn't work. There's no validity to this. And you need to put that aside. Look at the next day. If the same conditions exist, bearish dollar, bullish euro, could go and do the same thing. Believe me, do this. It's going to be really hard. Really freaking hard. And it's training. When you're working out, you're going to sweat. Sweat is progress. Eventually, the weight that you're lifting in your workouts won't be that hard. Just like this won't be that hard. It'll be easy over time once you desensitize yourself to the whole process and you trust what I'm telling you here. Submit yourself to some form of rule-based ideas if you're going to be a trader. If you're going to be changing shit around all the time, you're never going to have continuity. You're never going to have that. It's going to evade you. Every single trader in the annals of history that's always moved things around cannot show a clear, measurable progress that's positive. You're going to be hit and miss. You're going to be plagued with frustration. And it's understandable. You should be friggin' nuts. If you're changing things around, tweaking this and tweaking that, you're never going to arrive at an understanding that's simplistic, that you can measure the progress on. Because there has to be continuity and there has to be consistency. If there is not consistency in your approach, how could you reasonably expect consistency to materialize in your results? I could stop this presentation right now, and you've probably learned more than you'd ever need to be a trader. So I've given you all these building blocks here, okay, to be a day trader and a short-term trader. There's no reason why you can't be profitable now. And we've only talked about one particular setup. When's it occur? How does it occur? How to trade it? How to profit from it? How to manage it? I gave it all to you right here. And I could stop right now. We're not going to, but I could stop right now. And I'm telling you, what I've just given you so far right now is better than anything else out there. Do you know what you're looking for every single time you get into the market? Chances are you probably don't. You have no excuse now. You have exactly the very thing that every speculative person wants to know. A clear-cut business plan that separates them from uncertainty. Is it going to have a loss? Sure. Absolutely, you're going to have a loss. But don't change anything. All you're doing is changing the number and sequence of the trades that you're taking. Next trade, please. That's the only thing that's changed. Your perspective on the next setup. You're not changing the method. You're not changing the perspective on how you view the marketplace. Because the algos at the bank level aren't changing. The only thing they're changing with is price and date. Time is, they're the same filters every single day. They do the same things over and over and over again. Learn that. Once you understand the principles that I've shared so far just on this one template, once you do this, okay, you'll never, ever feel uncertain about what you're going to do as a trader again. It's my goal for you all to know this one like the back of your hand. Because if you have problems, you hit a series of drawdown, you have a period of string of losses, do not forget this one. This one fixes everything. This one right here builds the longevity as a trader that you need. This carves out millionaires. This one right here, this one template right here is the number one principle that I use to make millions of real dollars, not demo dollars. Real, I'm not going to fucking work anymore dollars. That's what this is. You're looking for that? This is what this is. And you're not going to believe it until you study it. And you understand, holy shit, every Tuesday and Wednesday, if I've been bullish, I got a 70% chance that the low of the week is going to form on Tuesday. But it could happen on a Monday, and it can happen on a Wednesday. Sometimes it can be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday creating this very scenario.